quick little vlog update here. Haven't quite yet got around to pulling the front end out, but I messed around with the wiring quite a bit. I was able to wire up the headlights for pop-ups again because his car was a Sylvia front previously, so I have the wiring for the headlights for pop-ups, and we tested both the lights and they work. The motors aren't working on them, but I'm gonna get that to work maybe some point. Got the headlight brackets on for the pop-ups. Did not get this left side on, so we're gonna be pulling this out. I want to make sure that we don't damage those freshly installed goods. Fan's still not working. Cody took it into her hands to untint the windows. For what she could, you know, got the front windows at least untinted, and then she went ahead and started getting the back window untinted, but quickly realized that with the razor she was taking off the defroster and stopped. So tomorrow she's gonna try to do it with the steam cleaner. Oh yeah, and also no more tape on the trunk. Trunk latch is fixed, and it worked. So I think that's all we did on this car today. Can you think of anything else?
No. Breck did finally listen to me and agree that the passenger side is significantly higher than the driver's side.
So the intercooler piping was in the way a little bit, so we disconnected it on the left side here real quick, and now we've got a piece of wood in the back, so we're not bending it, and we're gonna pull it out. Well, we're gonna try it.
And my name is Breck, and I talk real fast.
You wanna?
Hey, Drew, you scoot over to the right.
Hold on. Hey, bro. The wood, bro. Slow. Yeah. That's good. Maybe just a little bit. I think that's good, yeah.
That's already. That probably works pretty good.
It's... You're not really doing anything. You're making it go back and forth.
Yeah.
He had a good idea. He has a good idea. No, put this on the there. It's in the best spot.
This is the best spot working.
Yes.
Still very slow. That's straight now. Straight now. Good. Alright, it's tight. It's tight like a tiger.
Yeah, slowly.
Slow.
Oh! Don't be so mean.
Alright, I need
It's in reverse, so we'll go. Let's go.
Hey, can you give me some hand signals?
Yeah, watch Devin.
Watch me.
Watch me. Oh shit, hold on. Hey, go forward a little bit.
Go for it.
Alright, now go. I'm gonna hold this. You're Gucci. That's pretty good. That's pretty straight right there.
Pulling it through the tires too.
Yeah, but not much. It's pretty straight though. This is like nothing happened. It moved a little bit.
Is that the stump?
That's the Bay Area stomp, yeah.
Good.
You got the parts?
Yeah, I just had to go to the parts store real quick. Hay barn over there.
Cool.
Found this.
Oh!
Cool. Very cool.
This is game. Like,
Hit it right here with the hammer.
Hit it right, yeah.
Right here, with my finger.
Alright,
back.
Whoa.
Hey, you're not gonna fit in there. Squeeze that butt cheek in there.
Ooh, gotta get these cork cheats in here. You got it. Alright. Alright, who wants to help me out?
It's like you're just being hugged. Really tight.
Yeah, I don't feel alone when I sit in this car.
Back this shit up. Back this up. Go. Go. There better be a front end on this by the time I get back.
Oh.
I was gonna work on it.
On what? Your car that doesn't run?
Oh, yeah? You're gonna work on something different?
But it doesn't run.
Put all the work into this?
Go. Who hired this guy?
You're not getting paid.
Okay. Oh shit. Whoa.
Just creased it more.
I think that's really. I don't think it's working how we wanted it to.
So we decided to say screw it and just use the razor, even if it's going to take the defroster off, because it was just so caked on and baked on that every method we used to try to take it off wasn't taking it off. So good old trusty soap, water, and razor method is doing pretty good. Drew and Devin busting up the front end still, so
It's kind of just flexing. Oh, there you go.
What's up, guys? Little update. As you can tell, it's looking pretty normal. Forgotten 240. I don't know, but we got the creases out. It's a lot better than what it was. Just have to hold this together. Should be fine for now.
how excited are you on a scale of 1 to 2?
1 to 2. 1.5.
Is that like a 5 if you miss like 5 to 10, or is that more? I don't know.
I don't know. It's pretty not mingled now.
And Cody's hard at work getting her tint off the back window. Super hard.
Super hard.
Alright, last update for this vlog. We kind of ran out of time. My car is somewhat running. Still being temperamental, so hopefully we'll find a solution for that. I think I'm going to post that as a different video. Possibly put it on Facebook, but here is Cody's S13. I mean, it looks like it's almost there. You know, it looks pretty good. I think we're gonna come back at it and hit it some more and bend and do some pulling, but the tint is almost all the way off. The back window's kind of being a pain in the butt, but she's gonna work on that during the week, so hopefully we'll have that done pretty soon. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.